welcome back to my channel Alive to Tell a Tale. My name is Sharmishta and today I am back with another video. So today we're going to do a special video, something that we haven't done before. Like most of you guys know that I'm in Hyderabad from the past 1 month. I ran out of stock footage and I had to come up with something new. So here we are today. Today is very important because we are doing a collaboration, my first collaboration ever. It's important for me that my first ever collaboration has to be very special, and today we're doing it with a very special person. I'll give you a small intro about that person before I get him onto the screen. So like most of you guys know that I was at a wedding, my friend's wedding, and I bumped into a YouTuber. Not any YouTuber. This guy had a huge channel. I say had because there is a story. So he had 2,60,000 subscribers before I met him. For some reason, someone out of jealousy hacked his channel and he had to start all over again. The moment I got to know his story, I connected with him on another level because you guys know what happened to my channel too. So without any further delay, I'm going to get him onto the screen. So Daya.
Hello.
So that's Daya for you. His channel's name is Daya Vlogs. He is a travel YouTuber, a professional travel YouTuber. Trust me when I say professional, his YouTube channel, his Instagram profile, everything is professional and how. So I'll let him talk to you now. No. He's a Tamil vlogger. So he's going to talk to you in Tamil. Any Tamil speakers in the house, please pay attention and please go follow him.
Hi guys, எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? இவங்க சூப்பராக வீடியோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சதுன்னா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ என்னை பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா நான் தயா. நான் நிறைய பக்கம் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுவேன். எனக்கு பிடிச்ச என்னோடய எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் ட்ராவல் டிப்ஸ் எல்லாம் தமிழில் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டுருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு யாராச்சும் தமிழ் தெரிஞ்சுன்னா என்னோடய சேனலை விசிட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.
So what are we going to do with Daya today? So Daya has never been to Hyderabad before and I was born and brought up here. So today I'm going to take him around. I tried to shortlist a few places, but most of the entertaining places are closed because of COVID. But we're going to still try and cover all the important places in Hyderabad. कि ऐसा लगे कि Hyderabad आया और ये नहीं किया तो क्या किया? So that's how it's going to be. All the places, all the important places we're going to go around today. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Lakshmi Tiffin Center. When I used to live in Hyderabad, this wasn't there, so it's pretty new, but very quickly it picked up pace and it has become very, very famous. From the time I landed in Hyderabad, all my friends, everybody I meet have been talking about it and I had to try it. The first time I did, I fell in love and I'm coming here almost every day, so I thought my video cannot be full without this. So here we are at Lakshmi Tiffin Center. It's situated in the middle of Gachibowli and Kondapur, right opposite of the DLF Business Park. So if you're in Hyderabad, living anywhere close by, then make it a point to come and taste food here. So we have a spread here, majorly two favorites. You get everything, every South Indian breakfast option, but my personal favorite, I am going to make Daya taste it. One is the ghee karam podi idli with chutney and ginger chutney, and the other one is Mysore bhaji. We also call it bonda. So let's taste.
எப்படிதான் இட்லி ஸ்பூன்ல சாப்பிடுறதோ. நல்லா இனிப்பா இருக்கு, ஸ்வீட்டா.
Sweet? Sweet?
Little taste wise.
Oh. So the way to eat it is, he's dipped the idli in ghee. So you take a small bite of idli, dip it in chutney, add some ginger chutney to it, and have it all together.
இட்லி எப்படி சாப்பிடணும்னு கத்துக்குங்க.
So I'm not a South Indian breakfast person. I've always lived my life eating parathas in the morning. But trust me, जितने इडली वरलक्ष्मी में खाए हैं उतने कहीं नहीं खाए, घर पे भी नहीं खाए. My mom's going to be pretty upset, but I really love this. Okay, so now we are going to taste bota, Mysore bhaji. Go, you first. சாப்பிடுங்க.
சாப்பிடுங்க. எங்க கூட பேசி பேசி எல்லாம் தமிழ் பழகிட்டாங்க.
பேசி பேசி. Nice. I'll show you how to eat. Take the bhaji. It's very crisp. You can hear the sound. I don't know. It's hot. So you take this, dip it in the chutney, and dip it in the ginger chutney, and then stuff your mouth.
பொண்ணா சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு பில்டப் பாருங்களேன்.
At the moment, if a lot of people don't know, 2 major big bomb blasts in Hyderabad had happened here. It's standing back on its feet now, so we're going to go in, take a boat and go around the Buddha statue that Hyderabad is famous for. I'll keep talking on the way. Guys around the park, but I am not, because there's nothing special about it. All typical park activities happen here, like there's a laser show going around, there's a children play area, but there's something special, that there's a way to go boating to the middle of the lake, that is to see the Buddha. So we're going to take that. Okay, I can't help it now. We are very blessed to have good weather today. It's not shining out bright, we are not sweating, it's very pleasant, and we are here. For all the people who don't know what is special about this place, anybody who thinks of Hyderabad thinks about the Buddha statue. It lies right in between the Tangband and the Hussain Sagar. So a lot of movies, a lot of Telugu movie heroes have shot a lot of their introduction music here. You might have seen a few candlelight dinner scenes also in Telugu movies. If you've ever watched them, that's all been shot here. It's a very long statue, just take a look. So at the Buddha statue, they dropped us for about 10 minutes there. They allow you to click pictures, go about a little, and then they'll blow a whistle, and then you have to get back into the same boat and come back. I don't know how safe it is to wear a life jacket. It was very scary to wear something that somebody else already wore just 5 minutes back. I think they should really stop doing that. It's safer to not wear a life jacket. When I say safe, I mean that somebody else is wearing it and then you're wearing it on yourself. Because of COVID, it's highly risky. I see people here not wear. I am wearing a mask. Okay, I am wearing a mask. I have a pocket here. Wear it only when we press. I'm removing it only when we press the record button. So people are not stressing enough on wearing a mask, but people are stressing on wearing that life jacket. I don't think that should be done any further. Anyways, so it's almost lunchtime, and I know that most of you know what Paradise is. Paradise is a restaurant, and it's everywhere. Does anybody know that the original paradise began in Hyderabad? So we are going to go to the original paradise and have the typical authentic mutton biryani. So let's go. So this is the original paradise that you see all around the world and all around India. So we're going to go in and have the authentic mutton dum Hyderabadi biryani. Let's eat. Oh, they have a digital menu. Double ka meetha. It's a very famous Hyderabadi dish. Few people think that this is from Lucknow. No, Shahi Tukda is from Lucknow and this is double ka meetha and this is purely Hyderabadi. What's the difference? उसमें दूध डलता है, खोआ डलता है, इसमें नहीं डलता है. This is only made of sugar and sugar syrup and bread. Cheers and cheers. Open your mouth. It's so upsetting. We came here to Birla Mandir to capture the sunset. But every place that we've been going from morning, everybody has been objecting the use of camera. And Birla Mandir mein to had hi ho gaya, you are not allowed to take phones also. After shooting for a while in Dublin, though I have not done much work there, but I still feel that nobody really bothers if you're carrying an equipment or anything at all. Apart from drones, I think you're free to do anything. But here, even on the street, if I'm just recording something on a plain road, the cops are approaching you and asking you, what are you doing, where are you putting all this, and you're not allowed and you need permission and things like that. It's a major bummer, but no problem. If not Birla Mandir, then we have Charminar on the way, on the list ahead. So we are going to take we are going to take a leap and we're going to skip this part and go to Charminar directly. I hope nobody causes a problem there. Had a lot of plans for Daya, but I couldn't show him everything that I wanted to. Mostly because of COVID, a lot of places are closed. So all the fun things that he was expecting to experience wasn't available. And then I wanted him to be able to film wherever we can go. But everywhere we go, even on the streets, people are creating a problem and asking us, why are you all shooting? Where is your permission? And no cameras allowed. So, and now, to top it all, it has started to rain. Our plan was to go to Charminar and it's an open place. If it's going to rain like this, we cannot carry the cameras anyway. And we are going to get drenched in water. So, poor Daya and poor me. Nilofer Cafe, one of the oldest cafes. You must be thinking, why am I calling it a cafe? Cafes have a completely different meaning in Hyderabad. It doesn't mean a fancy cafe. It means it's an old school place that offers just tea and some snacks. If you're wondering what this is Irani chai, if you can see from Nilofer. What's the difference between a proper chai and an Irani chai? It's that this one is made out of reduced milk. मतलब गाढ़े वाले दूध के साथ ये चाय बनता है. And this is Osmania biscuit, specific to Hyderabad. Osmania biscuits, you might want to try this when you're here. Do not miss trying this combination. something is not going according to the plan, don't get disheartened. We did get disheartened for a while, but we thought कि जब बारिश हो रहा है तो गरम गरम चाय ही क्यों ना पी ले. If not Charminar, then why not Irani chai? That is all for today, guys. We're going to end the vlog here today. But for today, I'm not going to pitch for myself, not for my Instagram, but for Daya's Instagram. Please, if you guys are interested in Tamil, if any of you are Tamil speakers, then he is the guy for you. If you are interested in travel vlogs, then he is the guy for you. If you'd like to see amazing editing and amazing cinematography, then he is the guy for you. Go and check out his channel, and if you like it, then please subscribe to his channel. It's called Daya Vlogs, and he has an amazing Instagram page too. I am super impressed with the way it looks. So please go and follow Daya_AN on Instagram.
காய்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அலைவ் டு டெல் டேல் அப்படின்னு இவங்க ஒரு யூடியூப் சேனல் வச்சுருக்காங்க. அந்த சேனலோட லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, போய் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். அப்புறம் இவங்களோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஹேண்டில் Sarmista09, அதுவும் போய் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள். அப்புறம் இன்னொரு வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணலாம். டாடா, பாய்.